subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
मेरा first audition बहुत वाहियात था. I did a audition for a TVC with Kriti Senon for Parachute Oil. When I was doing Namkaran के बाद first time I went to Delhi, to my back hometown for like 2 days. I got some things, and Namkaran was on peak, and so I went to this Gurdwara where I used to go from childhood called Bangla Sahib Gurdwara in Delhi. So my mom dad के साथ वैसे ही गया. So I was wearing hanky. So people was recognizing me like, who's this guy? तो जब बाहर आके मैंने वो निकाला, in the matter of 5 minutes, there were more than 500 people was standing there, and my parents were like way on the back, and they were just looking कि चल क्या है, क्योंकि that was the first time for them also and for me also, like कि क्या हो गया ये अचानक से. Salman Khan. So I was new, and they called me for a Big Boss promo, and so I came. Reliance Studio में we were shooting Film City में. So सलमान भाई आ रहे हैं, वही चल रहा था सुबह से. तो जब सलमान भाई आए तो I was like, oof.
Gautam Vig, who is currently seen in the show Pinjra Khoobsurti Ka, chatted with us, and here we asked him about all his first. So without any further ado, let's begin. First audition.
मेरा first audition बहुत वाहियात था. I did a audition for a TVC with Kriti Senon for Parachute Oil, और हो गया था यार, and I got it. Like it was like my second day in Mumbai, and I got it. So I think बहुत ही वाहियात था. The first audition for TV और acting wise when I gave, अगर मैं वो आज भी देखूं तो हंसी आती है यार. मतलब कैसे करते थे, अजीब से, कुछ पता नहीं था ना, मतलब लाइंस बोल रहे हैं, क्या बोल रहे हैं. तो always nervous यार. I'm still very nervous when I still go for castings, or I'm getting a lot of different genre work, but nervousness आज भी होती है. आज भी यही होता है कि टेस्ट कर सकते.
First rejection.
Rejection शुरू में हुई थी तो बहुत दुख होता था. यार अच्छे तो दिखते हैं यार, ये तो होता है, वो तो होता है, क्यों नहीं लेते यार. तो वो तो होता है, but I think rejection is a part of life. If I didn't got rejected तो आज मैं शायद यहाँ ना होता. तो I think those rejections made me today whatever I am, and बहुत जरूरी नहीं है वो किसी की लाइफ में. और of course कोई रिजेक्ट होता तो अच्छा नहीं लगता, क्योंकि as I said I was in HR, right? I was in HR in a bank, and हम लोगों को रिजेक्ट करते थे कि you know this person is not fit the job, this person. तो जब वो खुद के साथ होता है तो you realize, मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि कॉर्पोरेट में भी I used to got rejected a lot of time because of interviews and whatever जो भी था starting initial stage, but यहाँ पे तो बहुत ज्यादा है. यहाँ पे तो हर चीज, आपके बाल लंबे क्यों हैं, आंखें ऐसी क्यों हैं, ये ऐसा क्यों है, तो you never know. But I think if I see now those rejections, I feel कि हाँ यार वो सही थे उस टाइम पे, क्योंकि मुझे वो, see as a producer I will always look for a people. I'm a businessman also, right? So there is no sentiments or emotions attached. तो उस समय मुझ में शायद वो नहीं था, वो जो आज वो हंगर है चीज की, वो शायद उस समय नहीं थी. तो मे बी वो शायद पोर्ट्रे नहीं हो पाता उस समय, बट ठीक है. आई थिंक रिजेक्शंस आर पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ. तो अब तो वो बोलते हैं ना कि भीगे हो बरसात क्या भिगाएगी. अब तो इतना भीग चुके हैं तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता यार अब तो.
First acting gig.
मेरा first acting gig, so my first acting gig was D4 on V channel. So yeah, so I did that, and I got that. I was playing a physiotherapist, so they were introducing a new. I was like, look at my hair, look at my eyes, look at my personality. Do you think I look like a physiotherapist? He's like, sir, V channel पे ऐसे ही चाहिए होते हैं हमें. So yeah. So I did that. वो मेरा था पहला. Niyati Fatnani was my co-actor, and Utkarsh was my co-actor, and it was very different and very weird यार, क्योंकि dialogues नहीं आते थे, कुछ नहीं पता होता था. But yeah, that was the first, I think. I did that for like 10 days. उसके बाद actually V channel got shut क्योंकि उन्होंने वापस they converted back to music channel. So all the shows on V was gone. D4 and so on. So that was my first acting gig with the dialogues.
First paycheck.
Pretty decent था यार. Mumbai में because as I said, I did commercials. I did a lot of commercials. Like I did more than like 100 TV commercials with all the top brands. So my first initial commercial, I got 40,000 for it. Yeah, in hand I got 40,000. तो वो चलता ही गया. उसके बाद चलता ही गया.
First fan encounter.
Oof. So there was not one. There were like a lot of fans here. So when I was doing Namkaran के बाद first time I went to Delhi, to my back hometown for like 2 days. I got some things, and Namkaran was on peak, and so I went to this Gurdwara where I used to go from childhood called Bangla Sahib Gurdwara in Delhi. So my mom dad के साथ वैसे ही गया. So I was wearing hanky. So people was recognizing me like, who's this guy? Who's this guy? तो जब बाहर आके मैंने वो निकाला, in the matter of 5 minutes, there were more than 500 people was standing there, and my parents were like way on the back, and they were just looking कि चल क्या रहा है, क्योंकि that was the first time for them also and for me also, like कि क्या हो गया ये अचानक से. So that was like, I got a lot of fans, yeah. I got a lot of messages from girls, guys, and कोई दिल विल भेज देता है, कोई गिफ्ट भेज देते हैं, कोई कुछ भेज देता है. So like lot of things. But yeah, it's always the only happiness is they like my work, so it's fine. So it's pretty okay.
First celebrity crush.
First celebrity crush. My first celebrity crush was Priyanka Chopra. She's like my all-time crush. I mean, I don't know. I just love that lady because of her acting. Like after watching her in Aetraz, I was like, oof.
First email ID.
First email ID. So what happened was I went on Roadies audition, Roadies 2. I was in Delhi. So I went on Roadies audition. Actually, my friend took me. I was underage also. So my friend took me. तब मैंने बनाया था Gautam Roadi at I think rediffmail.com और क्या चलता था उस टाइम पे. तो वो मैंने बनाया था Gautam Roadi. मतलब बाकी इससे ज़्यादा funny तो मैंने कभी कुछ बनाया नहीं actually.
First job.
My first job, I was selling in HDFC Bank in Delhi. I used to wear this NRI का कुछ तो promotion उनका चल रहा था. So I was in 12th standard that time. So there was this event company, they wanted me to, and I was very after money कि पैसे कमाने हैं यार, पैसे चाहिए type है ना. तो I was वो होता ना 12th में after your pre-boards you get like 2-3 months off तो for your boards exam. तो वो time था मेरे पास. So there was this event, उसमें NRI का t-shirt और ऐसा मैं cap पहन के खड़ा होता था. And I used to ask people, you know, कि आपके कोई relatives हैं NRI, तो उनकी details लेके, तो it was some NRI event from HDFC Bank in Delhi, the GK1, Security Class. So वो मैं करता था. और उस time पे, so there was this model coordinator was there, Kaushik Ghosh करके, there was this guy who seen me or who gave me his card. He's like, you are perfect for a fashion model. You wanna walk for my show, like you wanna walk for my show. And I was like, अच्छा ऐसा भी होता है क्या? So yeah, so that was my first job. It was a very funny job यार actually. तो जब कुछ होते नहीं थे, लोग मिलते नहीं थे, तो मैं खुद ही एक जगह पे बैठ के लिख देता था अपने सारे रिलेटिव्स के नंबर और नाम लिख के, कोई कनाडा, कोई ऑस्ट्रेलिया, कोई यूएस करके. So I used to do that. It was a lot of fun. A lot of girls were there in the branch. So मेरा बहुत time pass हो जाता था ऐसे ही. So ऐसा fun करते थे यार. It was like $5,000 or something I got for like 40 days event job or something. तो ऐसा किया.
First phone.
My first phone was the 1100 Nokia. वो torch वाला आता था ना, 1100.
Yeah.
तो मतलब that was my first official phone.
First got starstruck.
In Mumbai, it was Salman Khan. So I was new, and they called me for a Big Boss promo, and so I came. Reliance Studio में we were shooting Film City में. So सलमान भाई आ रहे हैं, वही चल रहा था सुबह से. तो जब सलमान भाई आए, तो I was like, oof. Salman Bhai आ गए. So yeah, that was he was the first one, yeah. Because I shooted before with Kriti Senon and all other stars also, like commercials मैंने किया बहुतों के साथ. So but that was like a wow moment होता ना, मतलब. So that was like a wow, like he's Salman Khan. So
First person you followed on Instagram?
I followed on Instagram. Who I followed on Instagram? I think Hrithik Roshan.
First heartbreak?
Uh, uh, First heartbreak when I was in what? 8th standard, 7th, 8th standard. तो heartbreak तो चलती रहती थी यार. तो तब हुआ था I think when I was 7th, 8th standard. वो मेरी टीचर की बेटी थी यार. तो she was my maths teacher and उसकी वो बेटी थी तो उनको जब पता लग गया था तो she failed me and stuff. तो उसके बाद लड़की भी चली गई, एग्जाम में भी फेल हो गए और तो कुछ बचा नहीं था. Yeah, so I think that was the first time. But yeah.
First best friend?
My first best friend was from Delhi. His name is Jagtar. He's still in a contact. Jagtar Singh. He's in London now. And वही स्कूल के जो buddies होते हैं, that's your best friends. So वो आज तक रहते ही हैं. And yeah, he was my
first fashion splurge?
I'm crazy for fashion clothes, yeah. I think वो तो मेरा हमेशा से ही रहता था, like my low waist jeans. So I used to wear super low waist jeans, जो मुझे बहुत गालियाँ भी पड़ती थी घर पे, and like with all the boots and everything. So I think I mostly spent my money on low waist jeans and boots that time. तब नए जैसे पैसे मिलते थे तो सब उठा के लाया.
First most expensive purchase?
Like the first thing I bought from my own money was Nokia का एक phone था यार, I think 6880 or something वो आया था. So I bought that. मेरी first salary मिली थी मुझे और सीधा वो 20,000 रुपए का उस समय मैं वो phone खरीद के ले आया था. That was my first, I think, the purchase उस time के हिसाब से most expensive. अभी तो बहुत चीजें हैं. तो तब that was like the most expensive. Yeah, मतलब पैसे मिले थे, जिस दिन क्रेडिट होता है अगले दिन ही आ गया था फोन. तो बहुत गाली भी पड़ी थी घर पे. बहुत सुनाया गया था, पर ठीक है.
First foreign trip?
My first foreign trip was when I went abroad for my studies. So my first year that was actually, you can say, my solo trip also. So I went to this place called Isle of Man. So it's an island between England and Ireland. So I studied my bachelor's in hospitality management. So the first year was in that college, IHMES International College था. तो मेरा first year वहाँ पे था. So it's a beautiful island. We have a population of 50,000-60,000 people, and in the whole island there was one school, our hotel management school was there. So that was a solo trip and the solo foreign trip I did. I was 17 or something. So I did that. तो पहली बार नई दुनिया देखी थी बाहर जाके, क्या होता है कैसा होता है. So yeah, it was amazing. Yeah.
First date?
The first date was McDonald's में की थी यार. तब ना पैसे होते से ज्यादा और ना एक्सेस होता था चीजों का, है ना. तो I did that in McDonald's. Limited पैसे होते थे. So but it was in Delhi on. It was fun. So we got like burgers and ice cream and stuff. Shopping कराने के तो पैसे थे नहीं उस टाइम पे. So yeah. तो first I think official date वहीं पे होती थी. और कोई जगह नहीं थी दिल्ली में, क्योंकि McDonald's was the only option like तब. और कहाँ लेके जाएंगे मतलब, because I was in what 10th standard or something, 9th 10th standard में, मतलब कहाँ किसको 100 रुपए में निपट जाते थे उस टाइम. तो वैसा था यार. So it was I think the first date was in McDonald's. Yeah.
First club experience?
It was a different world for me. So there was this club in Delhi, in South X area. So there was this club. I never went to club before. So मेरे 12th के बाद, so when I was planning to apply for abroad, so there was a gap for 6-7 months in between, and so I was started working in call centers that time, international call centers. And तब वो दिल्ली में बहुत नए थे और full pick and drop मिलता था और खाना वाना भी सब. It was all luxury kind of thing ना. तब तो it was good money also they were paying. And I was like, ठीक है कर लेते हैं, क्या करेंगे, कुछ तो करना ही है, घर बैठ के भी तो क्या करेंगे. And तो तब मेरे जो friends थे वहाँ पे, I was a very young guy that time, like मतलब मैं सबसे छोटा था. I was like 17, I was working. वो मैंने papers थोड़े बनवा लिए थे वैसे कि 18 दिखूं उसमें types. तो दिल्ली में तो हो जाता सब. तो वो मुझे लेके गए थे. So there was this club it was amazing feeling. Yeah, it was like a different, because I'm always into music and always into dance and music and all those kind of things. तो वो एक जब vibe मिली कि मतलब सब नाच रहे हैं, you know, everyone is high on, you know, life and music and, you know, alcohol and whatever. So वो था, and it was a different world altogether. Yeah. 17 साल के बच्चे को दिखा दोगे तो क्या देखेगा वो? And I'm from a very reserved family, right? Like I never went on trips alone. मेरी family के साथ हमेशा जाना. They always used to take me along. Pocket money नहीं मिलती थी, जो लेना family लेके देगी type. So I think this really helped me to shape myself better as a person. क्योंकि वो बोलते हैं ना, जब ज़्यादा freedom दे दो तो you get into a lot of issues. तो वो I think I realized now कि हाँ ठीक था उस समय गुस्सा आता था, but yeah अब थोड़ा अच्छा लगता है. So yeah, so that was the first experience. It was nice.
First adventure activity?
So the first adventure activity was we were in Scotland for my internship. I was in Scotland for my internship. So we went to up north and we did a trekking in like a deep, like it was like a proper scary forest we did. And we did trekking रात को 10 बजे. जब सब बंद हो जाता है, तो we were like kind of that stupid people कि मतलब it was very scary actually because half of the Scotland is haunted. तो वो था, so it was very scary. हमें ये भी नहीं पता था हम वापस आएंगे या नहीं आएंगे. But we did that. It was fun. So we went 10 o'clock at night and we were back 5 in the morning. So there was a trek of 13 kilometers we did up and down.
First alcohol experience?
Alcohol experience was good, yeah. Actually, because as I said, I studied hospitality, so wine tasting and everything was a part of my course. And so we were supposed to taste it, and in our exams you have to tell which wine is it, what's the level, the sourness and everything. तो वो था, तो लेकिन उसमें मजा नहीं आया. वो तो प्रोफेशनल था ना. वो तो जब first time I drank मुझे ना बहुत गर्मी में प्यास लग रही थी, so my friends got beer and मैंने ना ऐसा 2-3 ग्लास बियर के पीरियड काट मैं कहा यार कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा यार. So मुझे पता नहीं था क्या. After half an hour तो जब हुआ वो अलग ही था कुछ. तो या वो मेरा first experience था यार.
Lastly, one thing or one experience which you want to have for the first time and is most awaited by you.
The most awaiting experience I want to do is I want to learn skiing. I want to learn skiing. That's what I'm planning from so long, and I want to actually skiing, like do a course or something. So we are just inquiring about it where we can get. वो पिछले 10 साल से चल रहा है, and I'm not getting time or I'm not getting all that. But I really want to experience that skiing with, like, you know, in the snow. So yeah, I think that's the most awaited one, which will be filled soon, inshallah. Let's see.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.
We hope that you guys enjoyed this chat with Gautam. If you did, do comment and tell us. Also, don't forget to subscribe to India Forums. Ashima Chavda, India Forums, Mumbai.